I've got a package here, thanks to the phone repairer. But before I open it, here's just a quick little message, because they're people too. Treat them with respect, please. Let's open it up. Oh, right, there's tape on this side too, and also this side. Remove all this wrapping. We'll get to the things in a bit. They wanted me to show this. Open it up. Hello and thank you for your order. We hope that everything went well and that we earned your positive feedback. If there are any issues, get in touch with us and we'll do all we can to make things right. Jasmine at the phone repairer. Hell yeah. Right, so we have this little Android phone, and then we have this, a pink iPhone 5C. The main event was the iPhone, so we're gonna get to that one first. Who needs to unroll? Just peel it open, do a little bit of that. No f***ing way. Hang on, you guys see that? iOS version 9.3.1. This is on iOS 9? Oh, that's sick! Oh, that's beautiful. Does this turn on? Does it? Okay, it's dead. It's fine. We're gonna plug it in. Yo, it's on iOS 9. That's sick. Okay. We're moving the iPhone 5C aside. Get to this Android nugget. It looks like an Alcatel phone. Not even taking it out all the way, it looks like an Alcatel phone. Or an LG of some sort. I was right, it is an Alcatel. I'm so smart. Does it turn on? No. It does have a battery. Oh, what? I see. There was a plastic cover on it. Now will it work? Oh yes, yes it will. iPhone 5C says works, it's on Sprint. Oh, thank you Alcatel. Great. This iPhone is not happy right now. Connect charger? No, I don't wanna. Get started. Android keyboard. We'll do that later. We'll do that later. No, no password. No password. No backup. No location. Enjoy now. Okay, thank you. Wow, this doesn't scream 2016 Plain Rock at all. It's fine, don't worry about it. 9%, it's fine. It's on Android KitKat. Great. Alright, this iPhone needs a lot of time to charge, so I'll come back to when it actually powers up and everything. I took a look at the 5C, because it didn't even have the battery flat symbol, it was just completely dead. Left it on the charger for like 30 minutes, opened it up, yeah, that's not safe, actually really bad. Well, that's an absolute bummer. I did reach out to them. They said they were very shocked to see that the battery had done that. That's sad. I was hoping to get a working one of these. At least I have a blue one of these. I should probably do a battery replacement, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do that. Let's at least screw it back together. Alright, the iPhone might not work, but what does work is this Alcatel phone, right? It's fully charged now. The browser actually works. I got a YouTube video playing on it.
This here is an early 2015 MacBook Pro.
You hear that?
Dropped 2 years ago.
This is actually crazy that this is still working and that it actually watches videos. Something that the Windows phone couldn't do. But yeah, it actually plays YouTube videos. Let's actually watch something else. This keyboard is terrible. No, not sync. Go. Yeah, there we go. Videos. This one.
She's time for a dip. Oh, my precious nugget dip. I love doing this.
What is this, mate? It's full screen.
Bag of
Oh,
bits,
it doesn't want to do full
doesn't
screen.
work.
Oh no.
Still, yuck!
That's okay, that's not full screen. That's not full screen at all. I actually tried to load the Play Store, but it doesn't actually work. Yeah, except What? It does? Oh my... When I tried this earlier today, it didn't work. Okay. Let's try to get Roblox. No, not books. Games. Roblox. Oh, Instagram? Oh, imagine Instagram on this little nugget. You know, screw it. Let's get Instagram. Let's get it. Yes, let's get it. I want to take a photo using this phone. Check your connection and try again. Oh, it's frozen. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Oh. Oh no. My precious Akatel. Alright, let's test the camera. Let's test the camera. Let's get a picture of this iPhone XS box. Is there autofocus on this thing? No, there's not. Wow, great. Oh, I just realized that there's still a plastic thing on the camera lens. Hang on. Oh, get off. There we go. Peel that off. Oh, yeah. Let's see if that improved anything. Let's take a picture again. Okay, that actually looks slightly better. You know, I kind of want to record the outro on this phone. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, you know, it sucks we couldn't get this phone to work. I put bad bat on it, so I know it's actually terrible. Man, it's really a shame. I really want to mess with iOS 9, but I can't really do that now, can I? Oh well. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure, even if I were to try to remove the battery, the way that it damaged itself, you know, is really unsafe and probably not really worth replacing, so... yeah, it sucks, but oh well. You know, fun fact, I bet you didn't know this entire video was recorded on an iPhone 6. How cool is that? Yeah, man, I use old iPhones as cameras, because why not? I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more, leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys later.